If you want to enhance your security on Revolut by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your device settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Security Settings. Navigate to the Security section within the app. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings menu, where you can manage your account's security features. Step 3. View Connected Devices. Look for an option that says Connected Devices or Device Management. This section will display all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Identify the old device you wish to remove from the list. Tap on it to view more details and options related to that device. Step 5. Remove the device. Choose the option to remove or disconnect the selected device. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the device will be removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove old devices from your Revolut security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.